the dashboards that has been provided in Cryotos. In Cryotos, we have great experts in data visualization. Okay, they know what maintenance team really need. They did a lot of case studies and researches, and they come up with this kind of dashboard. Okay, so because we are pioneer in this industry, we understand our end user need. Okay, based on our experience, we don't find such a chart in any of our competitors. Okay, this chart would really helpful to get the main details where they need to focus. Okay, those details will be shown here, and it will be easy to get an insight and take a corresponding actions towards it. Okay, let me walk you through the dashboard. First of all, we have a total number of tickets. So even though we are seeing with multiple different jargon, okay, this is just like a ticketing system, but we have work permit, work order, work request, and so many things. Okay, but still everything comes like a ticket. So that's the reason we shows how many total items that has been there. Okay, so that's the way we shows all work order or schedule that has been raised. Okay, by default it shows all. If you want to focus towards only on schedule or only on work order, you could switch the tab. And right now, as an MD of organization, I could easily know what will be the total number of work order that has been raised and how many are in work in progress. Okay, still I could see 6 in work in progress and how many has been closed on time or with due. Okay, this small classification would really help the management how effectively to make the team to work on time. Okay, and in some cases, we could also need to showcase how many overdues are there. Okay, how many items has been completely overdue without doing proper action on the specific SLA period that needs to be adhered. Some companies, they want to complete P1 task or critical task on 4 hours, within 4 hours, and a non-critical task in 8 hours, something like that. In those cases, we could easily like to know how many tickets has breached the time limit. So that would be available in overdue. Okay, we also provide if there would be a valid reason, like there would be a part needs to get changed and that part already ordered. In that case, that is not that particular ticket burden. It's not on maintenance team, so it will be on pending with reason. So if there will be a proper reason, they could keep the ticket pending. And one more thing, it's like closed incomplete. So these are all the dashboards that I'm explaining, and rejected with valid reason. Okay, those are all the key thing that any VP or maintenance head would really likes to watch. Okay, let's get into each one. Okay, we also have a lot of drill down options, charts, and so many items. So if you want to see any chart view for the same, you could go here and see the chart view. But I would really prefer a number would be really make sense for me to take a respective action immediately. Okay, so that's the reason we focus on numbers. Hope it has been helpful. I will walk you through on working summary and other dashboards in our next video. Thank you.